To say the market launch of the revived Ford Bronco has been flawless so far would be a huge exaggeration. First, in November last year, the Blue Oval had to delay the start of the production due to COVID-19 related problems with overseas supplier Webasto connected to the Bronco's removable top. A few months later, in May, the global chip shortage forced Ford to announce another delay, but now, the new Bronco is finally on the assembly lines. The automaker has just announced officially the resurrected off-roader in 2-door and 4-door configurations is on the production lines at the Michigan assembly plant. The factory underwent a major $750 million reconstruction and upgrade, while 2,700 new jobs were added during the process to get the plant ready for the Bronco output. Even more importantly, Ford says Bronco examples are now on the way to the brand's dealerships across the United States. Once the new Bronco is at the Ford dealers, it will be shipped to the first customers who made early reservations last summer. For those who want a customized Bronco, Ford has a new modification center located next to the Michigan assembly plant. There, customers can specify modifications they want to add to their vehicles, including roof racks, off-road features, exterior graphic packages, and more. These will be factory installed by Ford. We know the fans have been waiting for the Bronco, and we're so excited to bring it back, Susie Deering, Ford's chief marketing officer, comments. And this Bronco is better than ever. We're staying authentic to Broncos goes over any terrain. Heritage and have leveraged the brand's build-wild innovative design, durability, and advanced off-road capability to get the most out of every adventure in the wild. To celebrate the Bronco's start of production, Ford will release a behind-the-scenes launch experience series, called the Bronco Celebration, which will be aired today at 10 a.m. The video will contain interviews with various Ford team members involved in the launch and production process, as well as future Bronco customers and reservation holders.